All right, guys. Shotgun shell, 5 ounce for Dallas. 10 spots at $12 each. Michael Robinson on top. Tony on the bottom. 9:44 p.m. Eastern. Jesus Christ. 9:44. It makes like the 4th time today I spelt live wrong. 8 times. 4502. 4502. After 7, we got RC on top, Tony on the bottom, dice rolls at 8. The time is now 9:45. $9.45, final row. Number 8, congrats. Michael Robinson, spot 8. 8, 8, 45-29, 45-26. Spot 8, Michael Robinson, congrats. Done at 9:45 Eastern.